Good morning, student. Welcome back. Up till now, we have discussed about comparative statement, that is comparative profit and loss account and comparative balance sheet. Now, today we are going to discuss about the structure of common size statement. This statement also has 6 columns like comparative statement. In the first column, information of different components of profit and loss, sales, other income, total income, expenses, profit before tax, income tax, profit after tax is also given. Now, the third and fourth column, here the year for previous year, that is 2016 if it is given, and year for current year 2017, the figure is given. We'll write the figures for these 2 years which is given in question. In the fifth and sixth column of profit and loss statement, the percentage of revenue. In the fifth and sixth column, the percentage of revenue expenses of 2 years are calculated and disclosed. In the same manner, in case of balance sheet, the percentage of asset and liabilities of 2 years are calculated and disclosed. To find out the percentage calculation here, how you will take it? We will take revenue as 100% for both the years. Whatever figures are there here, we will take this as 100%. That we'll see in illustration number 13, that is 37,50,000 and 30 lakh, that is 2016 and 2017. 100% we will take for this. Now, all the other expenses, and other things will be considered on base for this sales revenue taking as 100%. The structure for this is given on page number 186 and 187. You have to copy down this specimen for common size statement of profit and loss in your notebook. We will take this as 100% and solve the sum. To find out the percentage, amount of expense or revenue upon amount of net sales, amount for net sales we will take into 100. Just to observe the sum number 13, that is illustration number 13, page number 187. Here, prepare common size profit and loss from the given profit and loss statement. Sales revenue, other expenses, profit before tax, less income tax, profit after tax is given for year 2016 and 2017. Now, you have to prepare common size profit and loss statement. Here, this is 2016 figures and this is 2017 figures. So, we'll do this sum. Now, this way you will solve this sum. Sales revenue for 2016 is given 30 lakh and for 2017 it is given 37 lakh 50,000. Taking both the figures for 2016 and 17, percentage to sales, that is 100%, we will consider this sales. Now, expenses, net purchase for resale 15 lakh and 20 lakh 62,500. This 15 lakh will consider for 2016 percentage as 15 lakh divided by 30 lakh into 100. So, percentage for 2016 comes 50%. For 2017, 20 lakh 62,500 divided by 37,500 into 100. So, we have got for 2017 55%. This way, we have to solve the complete sum taking these figures, expenses for 2016 and 17, dividing by the respective year sales into percentage. Now, employee benefit expense 3 lakh. So 3 lakh divided by 30 lakh into 100. So we have got here 2016 10%. 2 lakh 50,000 divided by 37 lakh 50,000 into 100, 6.67. Up to 2 decimal will take the percentage. Similar way, depreciation and amortize 2 lakh 70,000 divided by 30 lakh into 100, so 9%. 3 lakh divided by 37 lakh 50,000 into 100, 8% for 2017. Now total expenses, making the total for this, all these expenses 22 lakh 50,000 and 28 lakh 37,500 for 2017. Taking this percentage, 22 lakh 50,000 divided by 30 lakh into 100, so 75%. 28 lakh 37,500 divided by 37 lakh 50,000 into 100. So we have got 75.6%. That means the total expense is of this percentage as compared to 100% of sales. Profit before tax, this minus this, 30 lakh minus 22 lakh 50,000, 7 lakh 50,000, and this way 2017, this minus this, so we have got 9 lakh 12,500. Here we are not supposed to find out the increase, decrease and increase, decrease percentage, but this is common size statement of profit and loss account. In this, the year for 2016-17 is shown as 100% for the sales, and the remaining figures are taken on the basis of 100% of sales. Less income tax 30%. For these two amount we'll find out the 30%, and again finding the percentage, 7 lakh 50,000 divided by 30 lakh into 100, so 25%. This divided by 37 lakh 50,000 into 100. 30% we will calculate for income tax. 2 lakh 25,000 divided by 30 lakh into 100, so 7.5% here. 2 lakh 73,750 divided by 37 lakh 50,000, so 7.3%. Profit after tax we will find out before tax minus income tax, so we got profit after tax. Again finding the percentage, 5 lakh 25,000 divided by 30 lakh into 100, so 17.5% for 2016. 6 lakh 38,750 divided by 37 lakh 50,000 into 100, 17.03% for 2017. So you will solve this sum, illustration number 13 given on page number 187 and 188 in your notebook.